My name is Asmita Saha, and I'm a clinical assistant professor in the School of Counseling and Counseling Psychology in the College of Integrative Sciences and Arts. One of the fastest ways to calm a nervous system down is to take deep breaths, and deep and slow breaths. So box breathing is a technique where you inhale for 4 counts, you hold for 4, you exhale for 4 counts, and then you hold for 4 again. So you're essentially creating a box in your mind when you do box breathing. Slow, deep breaths basically give a signal to your nervous system that your body is safe, and then you can reduce the intensity of stress and anxiety that you feel. Research has shown that putting feelings into words can basically help us respond more thoughtfully to the emotion that we're experiencing. So it could be something like, I'm feeling disappointed or uncertain, or I'm feeling lonely. And naming the feeling also does one more thing, which is you can take an action which is equivalent to the emotion that you're feeling. So I think it serves twofold purpose. Sometimes students often feel overwhelmed thinking this large mountain of tasks or problems that they have to work on. And so instead of thinking, what can I do to solve this entire problem? Maybe we can think about what's the next small step that I can take to tackle this huge problem. Some examples could be just opening up the assignment, for example, or emailing your professor, taking a 10-minute walk. So all these small steps kind of create momentum, which helps you effectively reduce the stress as compared to waiting to feel motivated. What this really means is that students, when they feel stressed or anxious, the primary tendency is to withdraw from others. Connection checks helps them to think of the question of, have I left my room today? Have I connected with someone today, whether that be a friend, a mentor, or just someone they trust? The primary motive in this connection check is that you are trying to not withdraw or isolate from others, but rather move in towards connection. The last technique I have is a grounding technique. It's called the 5-4-3-2-1 grounding exercise. So I ask students to sometimes think of 5 things that they can see, 4 things that they can feel, 3 things they can maybe smell, 2 things they can hear, and then 1 thing they can taste. So it's kind of involving all your 5 senses. The way you can do this is wherever you are, just kind of naming things around you, and that technique would really help you slow down, look at the surroundings around you, and be in the present moment.